In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Citizens Access for the year 2025. Opening a checking account online is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's get started and make it as easy as possible for you to complete this task from the comfort of your home. First, you'll want to navigate to the Citizens Access website. You can do this by entering Citizens Access Bank into your favorite search engine. This takes you to their homepage where you'll find all the resources you need to proceed with opening your account. Now, once you're on the website, look for the option that says Open Account. This should be prominently displayed on the homepage, making it quick to locate. Clicking on this will direct you to the account opening section where you can take the next steps to kickstart the process. As you continue, you'll come across several options for different types of accounts. Click on the account link that appears. This leads you to a page where you'll find options for various account types. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled String SAV 3000. Although the naming might seem a bit technical, it ensures that you're selecting the correct account type intended for standard checking accounts with Citizens Access. This careful selection helps avoid any mix-ups and ensures you're on the right path to getting your checking account set up. Once you've confirmed your account type, the next step is to provide the necessary information. This is the most critical part of your application, as it involves filling out all the required fields with accuracy. Have your personal information handy, such as your social security number, ID, and any contact details that the application requests. Accuracy is key here, so double check each entry to prevent errors that could delay the processing of your application. After you've filled everything out, it's time to move forward by clicking on the Continue button. By doing so, you'll submit your application for review. Once submitted, Citizens Access will take it from there and process your application. It's that simple. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to opening a checking account online with Citizens Access. This process allows you to easily manage your finances without needing to visit a branch. I hope this tutorial helped clarify each step and made the whole experience smooth and hassle-free. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your new account.